Hello, I'm Mike Farlow with ComTech, and we get questions quite often about how to buy Microsoft Office. So I thought I'd make a quick video to explain the options that you have. The first one is very simple. You can buy Microsoft Office straight out, single license, and that works great. If you've got one machine and you just need Microsoft Office for it, no problem. Right now, that runs about $239 for one copy, and it allows you to load it on one machine. You get a key code or a serial number that allows you to install it, and that's how it works. But a lot of folks are seeing that a subscription model makes a lot more sense. There's a product suite called Office 365 that has the installable version of Office as an option. And the installable version is the same one that you would buy outright. It is basically Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and so forth, but it's provided as a subscription model with a monthly charge. And some of the advantages that you have of that is that it's always up to date because it is a subscription. As the updates come out, you get the update, so you never have to worry about being out of date again or having old software. Another big advantage of the subscription model is that it allows you to load it on up to 5 machines. And it's keyed to your email address. So if, for example, I have a work machine, I have a work laptop, I have a home machine, and I have an iPad, I can load it for that same one low monthly price. I can load it on all of these different devices and make sure I'm consistent across the board. If you go with the single purchase method, you're only allowed to load it on one machine. So you can see real quick how $239 can multiply real fast if you end up having multiple pieces of equipment. So that's, again, where the subscription model really shines. Another thing that, from a management standpoint, that is really nice about the subscription model is that, again, it's tied to an email address. So as you have staff changes or you replace a machine, it makes it very, very easy to move that license to different people or different machines, and you don't have to worry about that serial number and having to keep up with it. That's just a hassle, and this eliminates it. There are a lot of different choices, and I'm going to put up on the screen here a graphic that shows you some of the choices that are available with the subscription model. I just wanted to throw it up there just as a real quick reference. Don't try to decipher it all right now. If you have questions about this, give us a call, shoot us an email, and we'll be glad to work with you and choose the best license for your particular need. Another good thing about the subscription model is you can get exactly what you need for everyone in your organization. If someone just needs email, they can get that on a subscription. If they need email plus everything that Microsoft has, they can get that in a subscription. So we're able to customize it based on each individual user's need. So I hope that this helped explain some of the options that are available for purchasing Microsoft Office. And as always, thank you for joining me.